Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to record Android screen using OBS. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to achieve this, ensure both your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. So now, start by opening the AirDroid app on both your PC and Android device. I previously set up these devices to mirror my iPhone screen to my laptop, and I'll include the link in the description below with a video tutorial on how to screen mirror iPhone on laptop, which kinda similar. While the steps might vary slightly depending on the device, the overall process should be similar. Next, go back to your PC, click on the three dots in the AirDroid app, and choose the click expand option. Now, to switch to OBS on your PC, in OBS, go to the sources, click add, then choose display capture, confirm by clicking OK twice, then start the recording while your Android screen is being mirrored via AirDroid. And that's how you record your Android screen using OBS. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.